Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to delete Meta AI shot on Instagram. Firstly, launch the Instagram app on your mobile device and tap on the search icon at the bottom of your screen. At the top of the screen, tap the blue circle or arrow icon that appears in the search bar. This opens the Meta AI chatbot interface. In there, look at the top right corner and tap the eye icon for settings. You'll see mute options, mute conversation or mute notifications. Choose the options that best suits your needs. This will reduce or stop notification and suggestions from Meta AI. You've now minimized Meta AI's activity on Instagram. It won't interrupt your search experience with pop-ups and unsolicited replies anymore. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.